Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's episode, I'm going to be working on my brother's Vauxhall Zafira 1.8 Elite. So he's brought it to me because the heating doesn't work. He said the fan doesn't turn at all. There's no fan. It doesn't blow at all. And when it was blowing previously, it was only blowing cold. Not hot. Now, I know the issue of why it's not blowing hot and cold, and that's because it's actually broken on the inside. The motor that actually connects to the actual unit, inside the unit, is broken. So I'll find a fix for that at some point. But I have already gone ahead and removed the fan. I tested it and I'm definitely sure that it's a fan, it's not a relay. So I've removed the fan already. I've ordered a new fan, and that's coming from eBay, and that was £42. So that should be here in a couple of days. But for now, there's not really a lot I can do apart from have a look around the vehicle and see what's wrong with it. But you know, he's had it for 7 years or so it's done him well. We just got to get it through another MOT. So I found another issue as well. That door doesn't open. My brother, he never said anything about this. I didn't realise this door wasn't working. So I'm going to go through from the other side and just see if we can open it from the inside. Although I expect, look at the state of all of this. I expect the child locks on anyway, so that's not going to do anything. No. Well, I can't sort that door lock out, so I'm going to have to sort that door lock out as well. I can't sort that out until all this crap's cleaned out, because it's horrendous, mate. I know he's got like loads of kids and that, and you know, they're young and they're a nightmare. They do like a lot of sports and football and wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna start cleaning the car up from this side, get across the other side, open the door, and we'll go from there. I'm not going to bother cleaning the outside of the car. Just give the inside a bit of a clean. Right, let's get that door open. Right, well, I got the door open. You wouldn't believe it, it's only like 5 o'clock. But yeah, no, so I got the door open. What I had to do was I had to smash that bit of plastic on the outer lock with a screwdriver and a hammer, smash through it, and you could see the little metal bit there, the shiny bit at the bottom, that was actually stuck. And just tapped it with a screwdriver, a tiny little bit of force, and it opened. Happy days. Right, so we can see a bit better now, because last night it got a bit dark, didn't it? But I've left the door lock in there at the moment. The handles are working again now. It'll probably work for a while, but I'm not really bothered about that. But got a door card there, that will just go back on. Actually, compared to the T4, at least I didn't have to smash a hole in the middle of it to get to the door lock, like I did on my T4 on that door. So I've cleaned it all out. All part of the service. Part of the crap on the front seat. But you also said that the electrics weren't working on this door. The central locking was working, because I could hear it clicking, but the electric windows weren't. I haven't even done anything yet, but this is the state it's all in already. Right, well, that's a proper fix job, that is, isn't it? I'm going to have to get Matt round, get him to fix that. Oh, that's joyful, isn't it? Okay. Right, I'm going to give Matt a text, see what he's saying. So, this could go several ways. Firstly, me and soldering, never great. That's just a cheap Chinese one, because I've never really invested in soldering when my best mate does this. This is his business, isn't it, doing this? So I'm going to attempt doing it myself. I've got a few wires, just started preparing them, just doing one at a time. I'm going to start off with that one at the back, the white and grey. This main red wire here, I've taped it up, but it wasn't broken. The outer skin was, there was no plastic, so I've just covered it up, protect it, and then what I'll do is I'll once I've soldered that, I'll just put a little bit of tape around it. Right, so it's taken me 1 hour, just over an hour and 3 minutes actually, and I've had to tape all them up, solder them up, and cut the damages down here, open wires. Happy days. So I've just got to connect it up now, and then we'll test it. But I don't know how this clip's supposed to go on. It was all hanging off. Let me just have a look, see which way it goes. So we got 4 pin at the bottom, and it's them, and then 2 big ones at the top. Yeah, that looks right. So, right. Yeah, happy days. Yeah, that'll go in. I can't do anything until the door lock turns up, and we can swap that over. I can still plug this in and test the windows. Right, let's give it a go.
Labour has called for an investigation into the full matter in general.
Awesome. Speaker's working. So it's all sorted out up here, but there's some more brakes down here, and those brakes down here I'm not gonna sort out. It's fucking stupid design. So there's a plug there, straight into the loom. Absolute nightmare. Oh well, at least it works now. Better than nothing. Job done. Look at all the money that I found cleaning up. But anyway, the fans are going. We've got the motor in there. Happy days. And it's blowing out hot. So down here on this side, where the actual heat exchange motor is, which, you know, adjusts the temperature, that's broken off on that side. So on this side, there you go, mate. Adjust it with a screwdriver, and that's set up for hot. So it's just going to blow hot air all the time. And then when I pull the screwdriver out, it should stay at that temperature. And also, another problem, I don't know how well you can't see, but whether you can hear that, but the exhaust is blowing really bad. So I'm going to order the exhaust part that I need as well now. That's another job done. Carry on cleaning. Well, you wouldn't believe it, it's only 4:15, and 15 minutes ago I had a delivery, and that delivery was that lock. Yeah, less than 15 minutes, because I've been fart-arsing around as well. But I got the old lock out, and you can see there the latch inside. That's where I had to smash it open just to get a little screwdriver in to be able to open it. But it shuts, it opens, it locks, it unlocks. Here is the proof. Locked. Unlocked. Look at that. Happy days. All I've got to do now is put the door card back on, connect it all up, and jobs are good in. Right, so there it is, all back together, everything's done. So we'll just run through the prices quickly. So everything I got from eBay, the fan at the front there, that was actually £39. Lovely and clean, lovely. And the door lock on the back here, that was actually £43.25. So I got the prices wrong earlier. It's because I was ordering so many things. And you can see how well this has come up. Yeah, you know, if he looks after it and keeps it clean, it looks quite nice. But the exhaust as well, that's £43. But where the vehicle is at the moment and the way it is, I want to get it onto the actual main part of the drive so I can jack it up and get that done. So I'll get that done another time. But for now, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, God bless.